Hello everyone. In light of my students' science fair projects coming up in a couple weeks, I would like to share this really cool website that allows for students to look up science experiments they can work on and present it to their peers and teachers. You can log in and join for free, or you can simply click find a project idea. Get great ideas. And when is your project due? I I would choose tomorrow because it'll take my students a couple weeks to even do the one that says that's due tomorrow. But you have other options of doing 2 to 5 days, a week, etc. I teach fourth grade, and there are a variety of other science areas that you can pick. But I want my students to explore all science fields, so for their science projects. So um, I set it as pick any areas. Continue. It's going to take you to the science survey website. I won't read all the questions to you, but there are about 25, 26 questions on here that would ask your students based on their interests. So that could generate a list of fun science fair project for your students based on the interests. So um, the questions that I filled out are based on like my students, the general idea of my students' interests in the class. And then at the end, you just hit make recommendation. And here are a list of all the science experiments that your students can do, or you can do it with your students. If you looked up here, there's a difficulty level. I was I For your higher student, you could hit advanced. You could pick advanced or intermediate for them to do. But just keep in mind that the more advanced the science project, the more cost it would be. So since my students are coming from a lower socioeconomic background, so I would tend to pick the beginning or intermediate for them. So it's more cost efficient. All right, thank you so much for listening.